Hi, I'm Eric. Today we've got this Chevy Silverado in the bay, so I can show you how easy it is to upgrade your truck with the convenience of remote start with StartX. This kit is plug and play and compatible with Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra. It does require a PC or a Mac for programming as part of the installation. We're confident that with just a few basic tools, you can complete the installation of this product in the comfort of your own garage in about an hour. Let's take a look at what's included in the box. We have the remote start module, our main vehicle connection harness, a secondary connection harness, the pry tool, a warning sticker that lets people know we have a remote starter equipped on the vehicle, and the instruction manual. Other than a PC or Mac, the only tool you should need is a tool to cut the zip ties. Before we begin the installation, we're going to disconnect the vehicle's negative battery terminal. Typically this requires a 10mm bolt. Your vehicle may have different hardware. All the connections in this vehicle are plug and play and are accessible from the driver's side floor area. Reaching up under the dash, looking at the far left side of the vehicle, we can see the vehicle's BCM. Using a pry tool to press on the latch tab, disconnect the blue connector, the teal connector, the white connector, and if present, the gray connector. The gray connector may not be present in your vehicle. Plug the OEM connectors into the matching female connectors on our T harnesses. Then plug the male connectors from the T harnesses back into the OEM locations in the vehicle's BCM. The gray T harness features a small 2-pin connector. In 2019 and newer vehicles without OnStar, connect the small 2-pin connector into the 2-pin connector on the main harness. In 2014 through 2018 trucks without OnStar, simply plug together the two connectors on the main harness. These connectors are for our remote start module. Before we can begin the programming process, we need to reconnect the vehicle's negative battery terminal. Plug the red connector into the module. Start the engine. Now stop the engine and remove the key from the ignition. Wait 15 seconds before starting the programming. Press and hold the programming button. While holding the button, insert the black connector. The LEDs will cycle. Allow them to cycle at least once, until only the yellow LED is lit. Then release the programming button. The yellow LED should stay illuminated. If it doesn't, unplug the black connector and restart the process. If the yellow LED is solid, insert the remaining connectors, the small 5-pin connector and the larger 20-pin connector. Now press and release the programming button 5 times. The yellow LED will flash 5 times and pause. Wait until the yellow LED turns solid. Now turn the key to the on run position. The red LED will turn on and the yellow LED will turn off. Turn the key to the off position and remove it. Then wait 15 seconds again. Turn the ignition to the on run position. The blue LED will turn on. The blue and red LED will turn off. The yellow LED will flash. The yellow LED will turn off. The blue LED will flash rapidly. If the LEDs are not changing, restart the programming process from the beginning. When the blue LED is flashing rapidly, if the vehicle does not have an OnStar button on the mirror, Press and release the programming button once. If the vehicle does have OnStar, skip this process and simply turn the key to the off position and remove it. Disconnect all the connectors from the module, disconnecting the black connector last. On your browser, search Flash Link Manager. Click the link that takes you to the website fortin.ca. Click the button that says Download Software for Windows. Then click Download, and click OK. Install the app on your PC. You'll need admin privileges to do this. Run the Flash Link Manager software. Click the link called Create an Account. Complete the information on the registration page. Click Agree and register. You'll receive an email with your login information. From the main screen on the Flash Link Manager, enter your email and password, then click Log In. Connect the programmer cable into the Remote Start module. Connect the USB cable from the programmer into the PC. The software should see the module when connected. If not, click Retry Detection. The software will indicate that the Flash Link Updater is communicating with the module. Don't do anything at this time. Once the screen shows the module firmware, we want to select the Decryptor tab. Then we'll want to click the Send Data button. This process takes a few minutes, so please wait patiently. The screen will show progress as it updates. The immobilizer bypass codes are then sent to the module. As the final step, the module will reboot. When we see this page with a message that says Decryptor Process Complete, then we can disconnect the module from the programmer and the PC. Then we can take the Remote Start module back to the truck. Insert the black connector first, then insert the rest of the connectors. Now insert the key and turn it to the on position. The yellow LED should turn on. If the yellow LED is on, turn the ignition off and remove the key. All LEDs should turn off and your module is completely programmed. Now using some of the supplied zip ties, we can secure the module and the wiring up inside the dash away from the driver's feet. Being sure to trim the excess off the zip ties to keep things as tidy as possible. And that completes the installation of our StartX remote starter and our Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra. Now we simply press the factory lock button 3 times slowly, and we can remote start our truck. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.